Previously, Kristin and I were riding south through Baja on our way to Puerto Agua Verde when she hit a massive pothole, destroying her wheel and leaving us stranded in Loreto. To make the most of our time while we find a replacement, we explore this charming town, find ways to unwind, try the local cuisine, and venture off-land to explore the island of Coronado. In this episode, we finally receive a new wheel from Baja ADV Garage in Tijuana and attempt to install it with our friend Rolando. Hopefully, everything goes according to plan so we can make it back on the road to continue this epic adventure. Well, it is now Saturday around 12, and Kristin is out right now walking around town by herself. I'm having lunch at Zopilote, again, my favorite spot, and her wheel has arrived. So we are going to try to grab it and see if we can't get it installed. So what we need to do is take the new wheel and transfer all of the components from the current wheel, the damaged one, that being the ABS sensor, the disc rotors, and the tire pressure monitoring system. And once I'm done here having lunch, I'm going to catch up with Kristin, and we're going to go ahead and try to get her wheel installed. So we will be back on the road. Then we're going to continue, depending on our schedule, we're going to continue going south. I'd love to make it to La Paz, and I would like to go snorkeling in Cabo Pulmo. And then we're going to try to make it to a mission called De Comondu. It's one of the oldest missions here in Baja, and I've tried getting there twice and failed. We're going to try a third route, and hopefully that turns out well. So yeah, more to come. We'll catch you later. That's big. Gracias, gracias. All right, Kristin, what are you holding?
Very expensive.
We have the solution, though. Okay, cool. Well, we got the wheel. Now it's a matter of just figuring out the order of operation to get this on her motorcycle now. We'll take it back. We'll do an unboxing. Ooh, unveil. And then we will get this thing installed, and we'll be back on the road probably tomorrow. So. Looks good. Is it brand new?
That's good. Yeah, the hub is reman. Everything else is brand new.
Okay. You want to say something to the camera about this? So, big shout out to Marco, who has the BMW. It's a repair shop, and so he found this. He had this. So it's a new rim, new spokes, and it's a remanufactured hub, and got this to us in
like 2 days.
Yeah, it was 2 days.
2 or 3 days.
I think he might have even covered the cost of shipping, but this whole thing was
Shipping was like $60. It was nothing, and it would have taken a week and a half to come from anywhere in the U.S.
So
Monday the 5th, which is when we're supposed to be back.
So there's a guy here, and you saw him earlier in the video when we asked him if he could fix this one. So he has a friend that's going to install this. So we're going to take the new wheel, this whole system, dismantle everything, transfer everything, balance the tire, which is super important, and then we will be on the road. So we could be on the road as soon as tomorrow, but maybe Monday. We don't know. We have to decide that. Cool. I say we get going. So I messaged the guy to see if when he's available, and hopefully we get this done today. Actually, it's 1:30. You may need a bit more heads up, but yeah, we've got a solution.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
Stress marks.
That's what I'm saying. Stress the metal so
Holy
much.
crap.
Yeah.
Can you see that on the camera?
Yeah, that's what I was.
Like, this is not even. This is
No,
these
this is the
these
better
were
side.
pushed. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Oh, that's. It's not supposed to do that.
That's not supposed to do that at all.
Daniel just picked up our laundry. Folded.
Let's just appreciate
Okay.
what the working women in Mexico do
Yes.
here. We dropped off all of my laundry, a week's worth of laundry, a week's worth of her laundry. Literally everything is folded, packed away, and this cost 100. Is this mine or yours?
That's fine.
This is 100 pesos, which is $5.
This is criminal, dude.
It seems criminal, but it
Feels
is
wrong.
an amazing.
Look at this folded.
Yeah.
This entire pack. Oh
Yep.
my gosh.
Smells great. It's all clean.
Oh
Are you going? Yeah, our wonderful friend Rolando and his buddies are going to help us take this off, and then we're going to transfer all the components, and then we'll get the new tire on there. Not the new old tire, but new rim. I don't know the torque specs on this.
Oh, great. So just crank it. Crank it really hard.
These were on really hard.
I'm sure. As they should be.
Está bueno, ya pasó la prueba.
Insurance adjuster. My very warped rim. Wildly warped. Oh, it's bananas. See this better? Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Fantastic. All right, I can install everything.